Hello, this is Joel from the Relay team, and in today's video I'm going to show you where you will find our new bank details if you are a EU customer. With us getting the MiCA license in October last year, we were able to finally implement real-time transfers, especially in Euro, which makes it super easy. And to find the new details, I will now guide you through the entire process. We will now open up the Relai app, and once you've done that, you will have two ways of actually seeing the IBAN. The first easy way is by creating a buy order, and you do this by hitting the blue plus button in the middle or the big buy button right on the screen. We will then now, for demonstration purposes, select here an amount. I want to do a one-time buy, and then I'll go into the instant SEPA payment option where I will select my bank account. I will make sure that everything is in order. I also apply the code, so I'm paying a little bit less fees. And once that is done, you will then get to the overview screen where you will see our new IBAN. Please make sure if you have open orders and if you are a EU customer to now use this IBAN going forward. That also includes auto invest plans. And also make sure if you change all of these details in the banking app to include the BIC or SWIFT and of course the new address of Relai EU. But what about if you've now just created an order and you were too quick, you didn't think about it? Is there another way to see the details? Yes, there is. If you now go back to the home screen and you see the open order, you can actually click into it. And once you've done that, you see the details of the order itself. Make sure that you can also copy the IBAN details here and adapt it so in the future you don't have to do this another way. As always, if you have questions, we are here for you, whether it be in the comment section below this video, on social media, or right in the app with our lovely support team. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I wish you the best of days.